So hi guys, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can fix your iPhone 12 mini speaker problem. So if you face any problem like your speaker sound is too low, or if the speaker doesn't work, then how you can fix it. So the first solution which I will give you is for the users who are claiming that their speaker totally doesn't work. So what you can do is, so mostly people face this issue while on call, while they call someone or while they receive any call. In that time their speaker doesn't work. So for this what you can do is, in this search bar, search for accessibility, go into it. Now you see this touch, click on it. Now you will see this option, call audio recording. Now in your case it will be in automatic, so you have to change it to the speaker. Now after doing it, you just have to perform a force reboot in your smartphone, and after it you will see your problem will be solved. Now the second type of users who are saying that our smartphone speaker is too low, whenever we try to play any video or audio, the speaker is too low, it just sound very less. So how we can fix it? So for this type of issue, let me tell you, it's not any software issue. What's the problem is, whenever any dirt or dust particle stuck there in the speaker, it just block the speaker and the sound can able to come out from it. So in this case what you can do is take a brush and gently clean it. Don't try to be too hard, because it can damage the speaker also. Now after it your problem will be solved. There is another trick also. You can just go to this browser and search for fix my speaker. It's fixmyspeaker.com, and you can just play this sound. So what this sound will do is, if any water molecule or any small dirt or dust particle will stuck there in the speaker, then through this heavy sound it can be just solved. It will just remove this dirt or dust particle or water molecule, whatever it will be stuck there, and after it your problem will be solved. So hopefully this video will be helpful for you, and if this is, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.